straight outside of the Tustin office here at AJ Kirkwood. I don't know what it's like at your job site on April 30th, 2014, but wind creates hazardous conditions. So the reason I got my hard hat on, I'm under these palm trees. Things can fall off. See that things have already fallen here. But if you're under a crane, that could be an I-beam. If that I-beam falls, somebody rigged it improperly on a windy day, or any other day, you're dead. And you're working on your job site. That material can fall off. You don't know who stacked it. You don't know what it is, and you don't want it hitting you. Also today, if you're an AJ Kirkwood employee, is not a day to be up in a boom lift. Wrong day to be in boom lifts. Those things will move you around. It's hazardous. You can hit the building or whatever other thing that you're working on, if it's a light pole or something else. Take special precautions on days like these. Up, down, and around when you're coming out of buildings. As always, you should have your eyes protected. You don't want flying debris, extra dirt, other particles flying up in your eye, giving you an injury. Stay safe, guys. Safety first, safety always. It's a corporate culture. We care about everybody.